Hey y'all, this is KinahIAm. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing the September 2021 Oso Paper Mini Friends subscription box. Y'all know how I feel about Oso Paper Co. And baby, did she come through this month or not? Look at it. So if you are interested in seeing what's in this box, stay tuned. Alright y'all, fair warning, the theme for this box is Calendar Girl. Okay, so we have our postcard. Then I will show you the sticker of the month, Calendar Girl. Like I said, this is the September 2021 subscription box. We have our ladies, they're just sitting around being beautiful as usual. So next we have our magnet for the month. Y'all, I have collected quite y'all should see the side of my cart. Between Oso Paper and Gold Bond and Cocoa, baby, I got magnets for days. There's representation. So y'all, here is our magnet. Sticker book, y'all know what time it is. I love that Oso Paper now produces these sticker sheets in a sticker book. I don't have to keep up with so many sheets. Love it. So September 2021 Calendar Girl, we have 187 stickers on 10 sheets. And I see that Miss Danielle got a little fancy with us this month, and we have some rose gold foil. So we have Miss Mary and Miss Rita. Gorgeous pinup girls. We have Miss Dorothy and Miss Betty, and we have 1 through 6 here. And then we have Miss Ella and Miss Cassandra, and the sticker says this magic moment. Ooh, this magic moment. Okay, we have our full boxes. I am loving the color scheme. It's everything. I love my Calendar Girl. We've got some headers here. And then we have some boxes, some checklists down the middle, and we have our pinup dolls, just being pinup dolls. We've got some washi strips, some flags, and some arrows. Super cute. And it says here, you are powerful, beautiful, brilliant, and brave. Visualize your highest self. Start showing up as her. Then we have some clear glossy stickers. This says important, note to self, payday, bill due. This says keep your heels, head, and standards high. I love every aspect of being a woman. Amen. And one is not born, but rather becomes a woman. And then we have some activities for things that are going on in October. Yes, this is the September book. Obviously, it's meant to get you prepared for October. We have Breast Cancer Awareness Month. I'm sure you know that that is throughout October. October 5th is World Teachers Day. October 17th is National Pasta Day. I did not know that, but baby, we will be indulging. And then the 31st is Halloween. And then we have our deco. Miss Lady here on the bike. Who is that? That is... you gotta call these people by their name, okay? That's Miss Betty. Miss Betty. She looked like a Miss Betty, okay? And everybody is sitting around. We got a jukebox. We got martinis. It's always better with martinis. Then we have Miss Zoe here. And then we have these rose gold foiled. Yes, ma'am. We have our weekend banners. It says fill your life with powerful women. And then we have all of the ladies here taking a ussie. We have this long sticker that says this week's goals, some appointment labels, we've got some colored bars, and we have another sticker here. So this is the sticker book for the month. Last but not least, y'all, the title, the theme of this month's box is Pinup Girls. So what else would you expect other than a 2022 calendar? It's only right. She did it. She did it on them. Thank you, Danielle. This box is absolutely beautiful. It is 100% on time. And let's just get into it. So, some cardboard to the side. We have this hook here so we can hang this on the wall. It says 2022 monthly calendar. It has all the ladies here. I'm going to have to move this up and down. Obviously, it is outside the scope of my camera. So we have January. We have all of the days listed. And we have our pinup doll of the month. So that's January. We have Miss February. Yes, ma'am, in your pink. We have Miss March. Okay, March came through with the florals dripping, okay? We have April and her lavender goodness. We've got May. She looked like she finna send some soldiers to war now. We have June, my birthday month. We have Miss July in her pin-up bathing suit and shorts. There's nothing wrong with being cute and completely covered. We love it. We have Miss August. She looked like somebody's teacher. September. She looked like the teacher running away from the kids. I ain't mad at her. We have Miss October. Miss November. Oh, she is beautiful, y'all. And Miss December in her red and green. Yes, ma'am. Do it. Do it. So, y'all, the calendar girl. Yes, we're loving the calendar girl theme for the month. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.